For Best Recording Package, the nominated art directors are Sarah Dodds and Shauna Dodds, Nick Cave and Tom Hingston, Lee Jang-han and Wu Wei, Dale Doyle, Qingyang Shao,
And the Grammy goes to
Lee Jang-han and Yu Wei for Peckling.
Hello, everyone. We are so glad to participate in Grammy Award through the album of Bagalan, making more people know about Taiwan. We're from Taiwan. Thank you. Taiwan is a beautiful and peace-loving country. Thanks to our friends and the crew who helped us all the way. So thank you so much. And I hope someday if you can go visit Taiwan, super welcome. Thank you, thank you.